Yo, what in the fuck, bro? Yo, fuck out of here, dude. Bro, I ain't gonna fuck with you, dude. Get out of here, dude. Get in here. Get in here now. Fuck Christ, bro. Get out of here, bro. Get the fuck out of here, dude. Bro, if you're gonna have me come out here, fuck you up, dude. If you don't get the fuck off my motherfucking porch, dude. What the fuck is wrong with you, dude? Nah, we ain't playing these games, fucking asshole. That's crazy, bro. Fucking douchebags. Dude, this fucking bear just fucking slammed this door wide open.
Did you do it?
No, he did it. Oh. I was sitting on the couch and the fucking thing goes boom. I go, what the fuck?
Oh, look at her, just sitting. All right, Mama, nothing today, honey.
Dude, that was crazy, bro. If I wasn't down here, that thing would have been in our house.
Is it locked?
Yeah, the chain was up here. No, you can't lock the fucking actual door up here. It's this piece up here. It's gotta go in.
Oh.
I gotta wait for her to fucking leave. Now I gotta open the door to do that.
Into the chair. Hi, honey. I gotta pee so bad. I just heard you.
Yeah. Crazy.
What did you do? Go to open the door?
No, I was sitting on the couch, and all of a sudden I hear boom on the back door. So I look over, and I see the fucking bear at the back door. All of a sudden I get up, I walk halfway to here before the door gets pushed the fuck wide open, and the chain is holding it on. And I go, oh my fucking god. I ran over, and then I close it, and the fucker pushes it open again. And at that exact moment, we realized we fucked up.